Well, hi there, food friends. It's Kevin.
It sure is, and I'm Ralph. I'm behind the camera today.
And welcome to Cavalcade of Food, and Ralph is here, and that often means we have a cocktail episode, because often we're entertaining, right, Ralph?
It's true, and also because they're quick and easy.
Yes, and this is a cocktail concocted out of the Cavalcade Mixology Institute. This is one of my own creations, Ralph.
This is a Kevin creation cocktail.
Yes, and I'm calling it a Lemon 7.
I like
okay? Lemon from some fresh squeezed lemon juice.
The juice of half a lemon?
About half a lemon, although I don't think we'll even need all of that. And the 7 from one of our favorite American whiskeys, Seagram's 7 Crown, right,
That's
Ralph?
right, I love that.
So, it's real simple, and we've got a rocks glass with ice in it. So that's for starters. We are going to put in 2 ounces of our whiskey. This is a nice drink, Ralph, because it's easy to make, and it's just so refreshing, I think, don't you?
Yeah, we were able to kind of give it a test run yesterday, and it was definitely moving up the ladder to one of my new favorite cocktails. It's got kind of the depth of maybe like a whiskey sour, or the complexity of that with the whiskey, but
the lemon juice kind of gives you that.
Yeah.
So 2 ounces of whiskey. I've got a half ounce here. Looks like I'm a little shy. A half ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Don't use the
concentrate.
Yeah, that's just not the same.
Okay.
Then we're going to
sweeten the deal.
We're going to put in a half ounce of triple sec, which, Ralph, you know, is a orange liqueur. Okay. There we go. And we are going to give that all a little stir. And then we are going to top with some lemon lime soda. I like 7-Up. And I think it's beautiful with a lemon wheel. And that, my friends, is a lemon 7.
Take it to heaven.
So, here you go, Ralph, to the cameraman.
All right. Did it come out good?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, folks, this is easy to make, as Kevin just demonstrated.
I love this drink.
And the flavor is really something you're going to turn heads with. And
would you like a sip?
I don't know if I can reach that far.
All right.
Yeah, here we go.
Just don't take my word for it, folks.
Yeah, the balance of the triple sec and the 7-Up and the lemon and the whiskey, they all go so well together.
Yeah.
I would recommend it highly. And yeah, it looks so fun and refreshing with that lemon wheel
wedge
on top, that wedge.
You can put a cherry too, but I think it's really about the citrus.
And some drinks are sippers. This one's a gulper.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because you could really, it goes down so easy. It's so smooth.
Yeah. It's a nice drink.
So be careful, because it is easy to take a couple of big
Celebrate
gulps.
responsibly.
There we go.
Is what we like to say when you're having adult beverages. But you can see.
I say act your age, not your shoe size.
4 ingredients, and really just two kinds of liquor. We have the whiskey. We have the triple sec. The fresh lemon juice really gives it that brightness. And then you have the sweetness coming from both the triple sec and the 7-Up, and it's great.
Yeah, so make it at home, make it for your friends for your next gathering, and see if you like it as much as we do, because this is, like I said, definitely a winner for us.
Yeah, and it's, you could make a whole pitcher of these in advance if you wanted to have, like when we have people here or at home, we might have a signature cocktail. In other words, I make one cocktail, and I hope that's what you like, because that's what we're serving, rather than have 20 bottles of liquor out and having to have every kind of conceivable mixer and garnish and whatever. And this makes a great signature cocktail that you can do by the pitcher.
So if you do it by the pitcher, how you just
multiply the measurements. The recipe is in the description below the video, and just do the math, and you can make as much of this as you like.
So make a lemon 7.
11-7
for yourself. See how you like it, and if you like it, make more.
Yeah. There you go.
It's you tell them Kevin sent you. It's a Kevin concoction or a Kevin creation from Cavalcade Cocktails.
That's right. So, anyways, always good to have Ralph in the Cavalcade working the camera. Thank you so much,
Happy to be here.
Ralphie.
Thank you for having me.
Appreciate you, and we appreciate our food friends, don't we?
We sure do.
And we hope everybody is well. We hope everyone's having a great spring. And Ralph, let's send them to the website, which is
cavalcadeoffood.com.
The man speaketh the truth. It is Croswell's greatest website. And I will also tell you, when you go there, in addition to linking up to all kinds of fun Cavalcade of Food stuff, you can link up to my other YouTube channel, which is Always Analog. And join me Saturday mornings, like Ralph always does, for the Cavalcade Radio Hour.
Yep, I can listen wherever I am, and it's so fun and relaxing.
You listen on the broadcast stream,
I do.
don't
I listen
you?
on the stream and enjoy it very much. So if you haven't checked it out yet, do yourself a favor. If you love old-timey music, if you love old-timey things like Kevin presents on Cavalcade of Food and Always Analog, you'll love the Cavalcade Radio Hour Saturdays at 9 a.m.
Eastern, that's right. And I will thank Ralph for working the camera today. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And we thank our food friends for watching. And until next time, everyone be well. And we'll see you again real soon here on Cavalcade of Food. Bye, everybody.
Ta-ta.